You know what time it is, man. What's going on, YouTube? It's that time again, man. Another video, another episode. So we're here again with the IS300, and today we're pretty much gonna get ready to do a bushing swap on the rear diff. Now, here's the rear diff that we're using. We're using the GS430 rear diff on this car. We're pretty much gonna be using the Figs kit. It's real sunny today. We're going to be using the Figs kit to make this work on the rear subframe, and I'm going to be loading up some video of the fabricator when he goes through his steps to make this work on the IS300. Alright, so we're going to be using the Super Pro kit for the poly bushings on this, and the part number on this is SPF 4888K, and that pertains to this specific differential of the year that I'm using. I can't remember at the moment, but there's two different styles, so just pay attention to what year, make, and model you're getting your differential from, because that's going to change the style of the bushing itself. So today we're going to be using, let me show you, we're going to be using this little bad boy right here. It's a cheap dollar worth air hammer or air chisel. Hopefully this is going to work to get this bad boy bushing out of there. And if that don't work, we got our main man right here, butane. So butane ain't never scared. Butane ain't never scared of nobody. So we'll see what's gonna happen. So stay tuned and get ready for another episode. Piece of cake, yo. This is easy. Piece of cake, man.
That wasn't bad, man.
That wasn't bad at all. No torch. Okay, YouTube, I'm about to cut in real quick. So at this point, you can see we are in the process of installing the Super Pro bushings. And to be honest with you guys, with all the editing and everything, this whole process took, I would say, under 20 minutes total to complete this process. So it was a lot faster than I thought. And installing the poly bushings were really easy. So I will say I do apologize for the camera angles. I did think that my camera angle was set up when I started doing this, but then by the time we got to the end, I figured that I messed up. Just remember, when you do use the air chisel, just use a flat attachment to walk the bushing off, and just take your time. Don't speed it up. All right.
The Pornhub intro on this video.
That's it, baby.
IS300 hub.
IS300 hub, baby. So that's it, man. Alright, so I guess I could do an outro. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's how you get your lube and your fittings and all your things done. Pretty much it was easy. Quick work. I had good help with my friend Nick. He's the camera guy. Alright, so if you want to know some drone shit, you hit up Nick's YouTube. He'll drop it at some point.